Hey everyone, welcome back to another machine learning breakdown. Today we're diving into K nearest neighbors or KNN, one of the simplest yet most powerful algorithms in machine learning. What is KNN? KNN is a supervised learning algorithm used for both classification and regression tasks. The best part, it's non-parametric, meaning it makes no assumptions about the data distribution. Instead, it simply looks at the k-nearest data points to make a decision. Real-world example. Imagine you're trying to predict what movies a user might like. Using KNN, we find k-users with similar movie preferences and recommend movies that those users enjoyed. That's it, simple and effective. How KNN works. 1. Load data. Prepare and clean the dataset. 2. Choose call. Select the number of neighbors. 3. Calculate distance. Use metrics like Euclidean, Manhattan, or Minkowski. And 4. Assign label. For classification, pick the most frequent class among neighbors. Distance metrics in KNN. Euclidean distance, straight line distance. Manhattan distance, sum of absolute differences. Minkowski distance, a generalization of the above, and cosine similarity is measures angle similarity between vectors. Now how to choose the right call. A small call, more sensitive to noise. Large call, a smoother predictions but may blur class boundaries. And cross-validation or elbow method help in selecting the best K or call. So advantage of KNN. Easy to understand and implement, versatile, works for classification and regression, and non-parametric, no need to assume data distribution. But disadvantage is computationally expensive for large datasets and sensitive to irrelevant features and requires a large memory for storing data. Now application of KNN, image recognition, recommendation system, medical diagnosis, and anomaly detection is application of KNN. At the end, KNN is intuitive and easy to use. Choosing the right call is crucial for accuracy. And for large datasets, consider KD trees, ball trees, or scikit-learn optimization. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI content. See you in the next video.